Juicy and tender beef, totally drenched in a peppery sauce. This dish is so incredible. Hi, today we're making black pepper beef. I got this sliced beef shank from Costco. Meat with a bone in the middle always tastes better. First, add some oil and sear the beef shank. Let it sizzle and build that golden crust, about 3 minutes per side. If it's curling up, just press it down. Once both sides look amazing, pull it out. Chop up half an onion and toss it in. Same pan, no waste. Cook until soft and golden brown. Then add some garlic, black pepper, and butter. This is the smell that makes your neighbors super jealous. Next, add in soy sauce, ketchup, a pinch of salt, and some sugar. Boom! Instant flavor bomb. Then pour in some hot water, and you've got the base of our legendary black pepper sauce. Drop the beef back in, cover it, and let it stew for 1 hour. Yes, it's a long wait, but hey, good things take time. Halfway through, flip it so the flavor hits from all sides. After an hour, toss in mushrooms and cook for 5 minutes. They'll soak up the sauce like little flavor sponges. Once the beef is fork tender, take everything out. Thicken the sauce with a cornstarch slurry, then it's glossy, rich, and begging to be dipped. Slice up the beef. Dip it in that sauce. Let me take the first bite.
Wow!
Tender, juicy, and chewy in the best way. Every bite is a combo of meat, tendon, and pure happiness. This isn't just a dinner, it's a flavor explosion. Please give a thumbs up if you liked it. I'm Ken Man. See you next time.